Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, joining in the webinar on Azure AI Insight. Uh, the idea is to have this webinar to give you, the highlights in terms of how the application AI, works with Azures and etc. Right? Navjyoti will talk about the basic and fundamental element of AI-900, right? And how and when we should use it, what should be, the benefits and out of it, and how, the what should be the vision or customization vision of, API and etc. Uh, we have Nabajyoti, with us, who is, I would say, practitioner, right? He has precious experience of the industry, approximately of 19 plus years, and he is not only, the instructor, but also, doing lot of consulting for the customers like the Infosys, Wipro, CapG, Microsoft, Cognizant, and etc. He has been delivering and consulting, the projects related to AI, related to, the AWS and all of this. So I'm leaving this forum to Navajyoti to, set the context in terms of what all we will cover, and then after we can start the session. The session would be of 90 minutes, wherein close to 70, 75. 75 minutes would be the session delivered by Navajyoti. You can keep your questions at your end, and you can ask those questions at the end of the webinar. You can unmute yourself once we will bind up the sessions and ask the questions to Navajyoti. Yeah, over to you, Navajyoti.
Yeah, thank you. So let's get started. So I'll pull up my PPT. Let me know whether you can see my PPT or not. Okay.
Yes, it is visible.
Perfect. All right, so let's get started. I'm just going through the parallelly the other terminal also to see any messes that may come in between the session. Perfect. So let me set the context to all of you. Before that, a very good evening to all of you. Quick context for this particular session would be, as you can see, it is AI 900. So typically AI 900 is a fundamental course on artificial intelligence. So primarily what we are going to see, what are the Microsoft Azure AI ecosystem, how we can make use of those services while we'll be developing our AI system or AI application. That would be the primary goal. So it's a kind of overview session. So I'll pick up the few important topic as you see on my agenda. So I'm going to talk about quick introduction to the artificial intelligence. Then I go into the machine learning. Then I'll go to the Azure AI service, computer vision, especially the vision service, what it was mentioned in the agenda. The primary focus would be Azure AI service. I'm not explicitly writing as a computer vision, but yes, this is the computer vision and custom vision service we are going to explore, and a very quick introduction to the generative AI. And that's how this particular session is going to be conducted. So feel free to ask questions if you have in between. So I'll be looking at time to time to the, not constantly, but yes, to the team chat. So hope I'll be able to kind of address all of your questions during this session. Now, Before we go and take a look, what is being given by Microsoft Azure cloud platform in the field of artificial intelligence? So first we need to understand what artificial intelligence for the developers, for the architect, for the tester, for every one of us. Now, when you give a definition of artificial intelligence, it is by saying the application who can infuse human capabilities will be called as a AI based application. What does it